Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost with a Bluetooth dongle on a 2018 Ford Focus Titanium for a driving instructor. He wanted to be able to allow his students to just jump in and start the vehicle without a push button sequence procedure to disarm the immobiliser. And hence we've supplied him an Autowatch Ghost with a Bluetooth dongle. How this works is if I now insert it into a fallback wallet and wait about 10 to 15 seconds for the Bluetooth immobiliser to power down, so it confirms that it's immobilised, I will try and start it. When I try and start it, the vehicle will either start and cut out or won't even crank. I will then take out the Bluetooth dongle out the fallback wallet. I'll turn on the ignition, you'll see the indicators flash and the car will start. So here we go now. So ignition on, try and start it, vehicle doesn't start. Okay, there you go. Right, first of all, I'll show you the pin code part. So ignition on, insert a secret pin code for using buttons in the car. I get a double flash from the indicators. Vehicle now starts. I will now turn off the ignition. I'll wait for it to immobilise again. Give it about 10 seconds. The dongle is still in the fallback wallet. So if I now try and start it, it won't start. Okay? I'll now take out the dongle just to show you. I'll turn on the ignition. Dongle's out. Double flash, straightforward, start. Really simple to use, really straightforward. My name's Otto, the company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to us is 028 906 0478. I hope this video was useful. Thank you again, bye bye.